It's fantastic to see everyone. This is absolutely, one of the many illustrations of the impact of Montgomery College. We do all we can to make sure that you have equitable access to your education and are able to achieve your dreams. This is one reason why we are here today, because access to high quality food should be available to everyone. We were distributing onions. We had a little onion situation there for a few minutes, but we got it covered. Teamwork makes the dream work. I appreciate my teammate there. To the students, you are our purpose. Faculty and staff, thank you for making the dreams of our students come true. And it's just wonderful to be here with everyone. Thank you so very much, everybody.